For the bullion knot, I'm bringing my needle up on one side and I'm bringing it back down on the other end of where I want my knot to be created, and we're going to leave a large loop on the top of our fabric. I'm going to bring my needle up through where I first brought it up, but leave it attached in the fabric and not pull it through all the way. And this will make it a little bit easier for us to wrap our thread around our needle. And you're going to wrap as much thread as you can around your needle and push it down the needle each time. The length of your wrapping will be the length of your knot, so make it however long you want your knot to be. When you're finished, hold the loops on your needle with your thumb and point your finger. Hold it lightly and make sure it's not wrapped too tight. But you're going to hold your wraps with one hand, and with the other, you're going to pull the needle through the loops. And you can go ahead and push your loops back down onto your thread and bring your needle back down through the fabric, and it forms this cool little knot. I will totally be honest with you and tell you I never use this knot because I hate it and it's really hard to stitch. So definitely be patient with yourself and understand that it takes a lot of practice for some people, including me. One of the most important parts of this stitch that I've learned is to use a needle that is the same width as the eye of the needle and it's long enough to pull through the fabric. Using a needle that's long enough to wrap all of your loops around without it being hard to pull through the fabric. Now, if you want, on the stitch sampler, I also included a little circle for you to try making a bullion rose, and it's really just a bunch of layered bullion knots around each other and layered over top one another. But I am honestly still learning how to do this stitch correctly, and I know it's not perfect. I just wanted to show you how I do it and give you a chance to give it a shot and try something new. But I will definitely link some other tutorials below if you'd like to see some other artists doing this stitch. Thanks for joining me, and thanks for your patience with this stitch. Have a great rest of your day.